Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to another tutorial video on how the referral program works on Unmineable. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the Unmineable website, and I have it loaded to the SHIB coin. And basically, as you can see, there's a standard mining fee on all mining of 1% for everybody. But there is a way around this, or to get it reduced slightly, which is great. And it gets reduced to a 0.75, so it's a little bit more you're getting in return, which is better than 1%. So I mean, you might as well have something. So to do this, it's quite simple, and we're going to use my referral codes as the example just to keep it simple. I have most of them listed in the description, so if you just go down to the description, you can find any of the referral codes that you may need for whatever particular coin that you're mining, and you could get your cost reduced. So I'm going to take this video, we're going to scroll down, we're going to go to SHIB, make sure that's highlighted, copy and paste, Control C, move that over, and then we're going to go and open up Unmineable, and you'll see the usual. It'll say whatever token or coin that you were left off on, the receiving wallet code. And then you're going to go and click the link, I have a referral code, and this usually would be empty. And as you can see, you could lower your fees to 0.75 with a valid referral code. So take the code, enter it, and then after that, all you would do is simply hit start, and you will immediately be reaping the benefits of 0.75% mining fee over the traditional 1%. I have quite a few referral codes listed in my descriptions. They're all reusable, so feel free to use them whenever you're mining whatever particular coin that you are mining that day or at that time. Use them, reap the benefits, and that's really it for this video. I just wanted to keep it short and sweet. So that's how the referral program works, and that's how you could gain a little bit more when you're mining. That being said, have a great day, and I hope this helped you. Also, if it did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more basic tutorial videos. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer the questions as they come in. Thank you. Have a great day.